In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate ticket status and pipeline in Hubspot. We are going to set up a simple automation inside your ticket pipeline so Hubspot can update ticket status for you based on email activity. This helps your support process stay accurate without someone needing to manually move tickets all day. Before you begin, make sure you have access to Hubspot settings and that you know which ticket pipeline you want to automate. Start by going to the settings area in your Hubspot account. Look for the settings icon in the main navigation and click it. This is where Hubspot keeps the controls for objects, pipelines, and automation options. Once you are in settings, go to the left sidebar menu and find the section called Objects. Under Objects, click Tickets. This takes you to the configuration page specifically for tickets, including how your pipelines are structured. Next, find and click the Pipelines tab. Here you will see your available ticket pipelines. Choose the pipeline you want to work on. It is important to select the correct pipeline because automations are set at the pipeline level, and changes only affect the pipeline you are currently editing. With your pipeline open, go to the Automate tab at the top. This is where you can control what happens automatically as tickets move through your process. Now turn on the option called Update Ticket Status. When this is enabled, Hubspot can automate ticket movement or status updates based on emails. This is especially helpful when your team communicates with customers through email threads connected to tickets because it keeps the ticket status aligned with the latest activity. After you toggle that on, choose what action Hubspot should take. You can select Update Property if you want Hubspot to change a ticket field automatically, such as a status-related property. Or choose Create Task if you want Hubspot to generate a follow-up task for a team member when the automation is triggered. Pick the option that best matches how your team handles ticket follow-ups. Finally, click Save to store your changes. Then make sure the automation status is set to On so it is actively running. If it is not turned on, the settings will be saved but nothing will happen automatically. And that covers everything you need to know.